Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Xin from Fracking. Today I'll show you the LIUGONG medium excavator, the 913EG4. Let's take a look at its features. The overall weight of this machine is 13.5 tons, and its standard bucket capacity is 0.55 cubic meters, and other capacities are also optional. The B-side doors makes the pump easier to service. You can see this is the fuel water separator, and this is the Cummins user-friendly filters. Now let's look at the heart of this machine, the engine. It's powered by Cummins F4.5 efficient engine, and that's specifically tuned for both power and fuel efficiency. Let's take a closer look. This is a 4.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine with a maximum output of 160 horsepower and a maximum torque of 500 Newton meters. Let's move to the cab. The cab features large glass windows for a clear view. The air suspension seats are very comfortable. 8-inch LCD color screen can be controlled through the touch screen and control panel, making the operation more intuitive and convenient. Thanks for watching. More to come soon. Bye.